Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. Let's take a closer look at this plastic spray bottle model. It looks really nice, I think. Let's create a new project. So, here's how our 3D model of the plastic spray bottle looks. Let's get started. Zooming in our 3D model. We should change the material for the elbow. Then, we'll give it some color. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. We'll also use the same type of material for the trigger. To do that, let's copy the material from the elbow and apply it to the trigger element. We'll use the same material for the cap as well. Looks great! Next, let's move on to the nozzle. We'll switch the material to something more suitable. Next, adjust the color. And make some changes to material settings again. Now, let's configure the bottle element. We'll change the material for this element. And, as the next step, change the color of the bottle. Very good. Now, let's configure the label. We'll change the material to a textured paper and make some adjustments. Then, we'll change the label color to a warmer one. Just what we need. So, we've configured all the materials for our spray bottle. Let's add a design to our label. To add a design, you can click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. Or, you can download a UV map and create your design in another graphic editor. I've already prepared some images for our spray bottle. Let's add our design element. In the opened window, we see an editor where we can move and modify our design. In the left window, check how the position of our design is displayed on the 3D model in real time. Let's reset the coordinates of our design. Excellent. Let's save it. Now, let's make some adjustments to the lighting. Navigate to the Environment tab. Here, you can rotate the light horizontally and vertically. Let's set up lighting that works better. Looks great. We just need to add a nice background. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill, or we can opt for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the color and also select the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we made for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Nice. You can turn on moving lights as well. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Save the project. After you've finished designing, you can share your work by clicking the Share button. Send it over to colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating a spray bottle design. I hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.